So as you can see, these are payments I have been receiving directly from clients. This is how. One entrepreneur I admire a lot, Alex Simosi, always says the best way in making money is by providing value to someone, either online or offline. Quick note, I want you to check most entrepreneurs that you admire. All of them are successful because they provide value which solve a problem to someone. Here is the formula to being successful and start earning money. Yes, I said start earning, which means you don't just sit and earn, you will have to work for it. The first point in start earning and making money is research and find a problem you can solve. Also check that it has a demand in the market. For example, let me use YouTube since you are already watching on YouTube. As you can notice, YouTube is a video platform, and which problem can you solve? Scripting. Yes, YouTubers need script before they create their videos. Video editing, thumbnails, and so much more. Just save this video so you don't lose these important points. In the formula to being successful, the next point is learn a skill to solve that problem. In case of YouTube, we will learn the following skills: scripting, video editing, thumbnail design. In the formula to being successful, the next point is marketing your skills, because no matter how good you are in what you do, if nobody knows about you, then you do not exist. So you need to tell people how you can provide value to them. And the final step is scale up the process and earn more. For example, if someone is paying you $100 per month to edit his video, if you have 5 clients that are paying you $100, that is $500 per month. In any skills or business you are planning to venture in, I want you to use this video and points I have outlined to see how it works for you. Welcome to Hustler's Empire. In this YouTube channel, I will be teaching you how to earn money online and offline, from marketing research, skills to learn, and how to market yourself and scale. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you are lazy, sorry, this channel is not for you. The 1% who made it this far and will like to learn and start earning, then like, subscribe and share the video so others can benefit. Let's go! So after talking about the formula the rich use to be successful, there are also 3 important things which keep people unsuccessful, and they never start implementing the rich secret formula or start chasing their dreams. The first point which keeps people unsuccessful is procrastination. In simple terms, procrastination means postponing important things you need to do for later time. So this is you get up in the morning full of energy. You have a skill you want to learn or something important you want to do. It is still morning. Before evening, I will do it. Let me just use social media a little. That's you from one social media to another. It's already 12. Now you are playing video games or watching a movie. It's already night. You are sleeping in pain that you did not fulfill what you wanted to do. And you say to yourself, anyway, I will do it tomorrow. And so on. 1 month later, nothing is done. 2 months later, 1 year, 2 years later, nothing is done. Yes, everybody some point in life has procrastinated. The second point which keeps people unsuccessful is wanting to learn all skills at once. You remember the old saying, jack of all trades, master of none. For example, so there is this skill you research and have started learning. You just 25% into the learning phase. Then a friend of yours tells you of another skill which is also good. Then you allow the 25% and start at 0 in the new skills, and so on. So if this is you, here is what you need to do. Learn a single skill until you start earning from it before learning another skill. Also, it will be of added advantage if your skills can go together. For example, if you are a YouTube video editor, you can also learn YouTube thumbnail design and so on. So if you are getting any value so far from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video so other people can benefit. The third point which keeps people unsuccessful is not being consistent or giving up too early. Many of us give up too early these days. Picture this. So you have that great business idea you want to do, but few months into the business, if you are not seeing any profit, then you just start doubting yourself. Let me tell you today, success starts from the mindset, and the moment you start doubting yourself, then that is a big failure for you. Many successful people you admire today, do you know how many years they have been doing what they do to get where they are? I want you to comment down below which of these points has been holding you back and how you plan on solving the issue. I'm very excited for what is coming, so put on your entrepreneurial mindset. Let's go! Be creative.